Now, let's go ahead and manage your global filters in eLocate. You can update your filter categories and values, manage their visibility, choose a featured filter, sort your list, or remove filters you no longer need. If you haven't created your global filters yet, watch the Create Global Filters video guide first, then come back here when you're ready to manage them. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. To get started, go to the Global Filters page. Let's start by updating an existing global filter. Find the filter you want to update. Then click Edit. You'll return to the Properties and build your global filter values sections, where you can make the changes you need. Once you're done, click Update to save your changes. Next, let's look at how visibility affects your store locator's search filters. If you want to hide a specific filter category from your search filters, you can switch its visibility off. For example, in the list of filter categories I have here, let's say I want to hide business type, certifications, and work accepted from my search filters. I'll go back to the Global Filters page. Then switch visibility off for each of these categories. That's it. These filter categories are now hidden from my store locator's search filters. Now, let's look at setting a featured global filter. You can use this when you want to highlight one filter on your store locator's search results cards. If you already have a featured global filter and want to change it, you can use these same steps. Click Edit for the global filter you want to feature. In the Properties section, turn Featured Global Filter on. If another filter is already featured, you'll be asked whether you'd like to replace it. Choose Yes, proceed to replace it, or No, cancel to keep the current featured global filter. Click Update once you're done. Your featured filter will move to the top of the global filters list and appear in orange. Only one global filter can be featured at a time. If you want to change how the global filters are sorted, click the Filter Category column heading. The first click switches the list to Z to A, and clicking it again switches it back to A to Z. Keep in mind that sorting only changes how the filters are displayed while you're managing them in eLocate. It doesn't change how customers see the filters in your store locator. The featured global filter will always stay at the top, regardless of the sort order. Finally, let's look at how to remove a global filter. If you no longer need a filter category, you can delete it. Keep in mind that deleting a global filter permanently removes the category and all of its values from every store where it's currently used, so make sure you no longer need it before you continue. Once you're sure, click Delete. If the filter is already assigned to one or more stores, a confirmation message will appear. Choose Yes, proceed to permanently delete the filter, or No, cancel if you've changed your mind. That's it! You can now manage your global filters and keep them up to date as your store locator needs change. If you get stuck along the way, don't worry. Just click Get Help to browse our support resources anytime. And if you'd rather have us walk you through it, just reach out at support@epicshops.com. We'd love to help you get everything up and running.